Why do some corporations operate like a quiet, well-oiled machine, while others blare, stumble, and falter? In the world of business, the pursuit of efficiency can feel like a never-ending marathon. Enter synthesis engineering, a potential game-changer in this race. Could the answer to this corporate conundrum lie in synthesis engineering? Imagine a master chef, expertly combining ingredients to create a perfect dish. That's synthesis engineering for corporations. It's a little like taking the best parts of systems engineering and computer science, then mixing them together to create a powerhouse of efficiency. Think of it as a Michelin-starred meal for your company's productivity. It's about creating automated products and processes that empower professionals to be 10 times more efficient, like a chef who can whip up a gourmet meal in record time. Synthesis engineering is the secret sauce to a corporation's success recipe. So how will this gourmet ingredient, synthesis engineering, spice up your corporation? Here are the top 5 ways. Firstly, it's like a professional chef in your corporate kitchen, streamlining processes and preparing a perfect recipe for efficiency. No more mixing wrong ingredients or cooking at the wrong temperature. Secondly, it's the espresso shot in your morning coffee, boosting productivity by automating repetitive tasks. Say goodbye to the Monday blues. Thirdly, it's the spark that lights the innovation bonfire. With synthesis engineering, it's like having a magic wand that transforms your ideas into reality, faster than you can say abracadabra. Fourthly, it's the high-octane fuel powering your corporate engine, driving growth and propelling you towards your goals with the speed of a Formula One racer. Lastly, it's the secret sauce that adds a unique taste to your products and services, setting you apart from the competition. Synthesis. Engineering is not just a trend, it's a game changer. It's time corporations embrace this secret ingredient for a taste of success.